What up? Hi, and let's get straight into it. I've been holding down for quite a long time this secret project that I'm doing for a friend of mine, and today we're typically doing the clutch and putting the motor in. It's kind of a big surprise because everybody thinks that we're going K20. That's partially right, but that's something a little bit bigger than that. So I'm gonna get you guys right into it and let's go. So as you can see, it's a yellow Civic EK9, I think. Yeah, I think it's EK9. So let's check it out. If you can see right there, we already got the K20 shifter going on right there. It's already gutted in the inside. Got some D2 coilovers. Maybe I can show you here. Yeah, we got some D2 coilovers going on. Some D1 spec arms and a little bit of fake shizzle around there, but doesn't matter. Not that important now. It's on, I think, SI wheels or something like that. We got, of course, as you can see, we got the Hasport engine mounts. Got a pressure regulator already done right here. So I was working on the background on this car, did a lot of stuff, and we got the radiator on, a fan. I made a switch from there to there. We're gonna make it a little bit lengthier so that it tucks on the back. And we're gonna do the fuel lines and eventually everything we need to do to bottom everything up. We just found out today that maybe we're gonna need an EG subframe. That's no problem. We've got some subframe laying around, so we're gonna switch that eventually. And yeah, we got the AK2s from Hasport, and you can see right there, it's an EK9. And now for the big surprise, and for what everybody's typically been waiting for, the K20 with a turbo. We're going, yeah, with a typically eBay turbo, but it's gonna make a lot of jam, a lot of power. We're aiming from around 500 horsepower, 600 horsepower, around that range. And we're pretty confident we're gonna get there. We got some injectors and a lot of things. We got a competition clutch, stage 4 clutch, and we're gonna install that right now. And we already did the turbo feed, turbo drain, and we got a tail. I forget the name. I forgot the name. Shit. Huh?
What? Wastegate.
Yeah, we got the wastegate going on right here. Wastegate. 43 millimeter. 130. No, 34 millimeter. Something like that. No more for sure. Forgot it again. We got the engine paint, the engine cover painted with a pretty nice teal color, blue color. We got the buns on for the catch can, AN10 to be short, and we got the EM fluid rail with the AN lines around. So we're gonna eventually install that also, and yeah. I hope you guys keep a lookout. We're gonna do some time lapse and some little short videos because there's not much time, but we're trying to do this and film at the same time. So I did not film too much because it was partially a secret. We got the owner around here. I think he wanted to say some few stuff, some things, but his English is not too good. We're gonna try it anyway. So Adi, what's up?
Good man, I'm good.
You're good, right?
My English is not so good. I'm not speaking good English.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
So you're pretty happy to do this build, but why are you doing this with such a haste? What's the catch? What's the big deal?
The big deal, too many fuck cars on the road, man.
So
They have a big mouth, you know.
okay, so you're ready to give them
I'm ready
some
to give
spanking.
them, yeah, man. So,
Okay, we're up for that. You're gonna see some videos eventually. What are more things that you are plan to do exterior wise on the car? Exterior wise. So
oh, exterior wise.
Yeah,
Yes, I'm
what
gonna
you
put I think other rims. Tint the ramen.
don't tint the glasses.
And I don't know, man. Little stuff.
Yeah,
The car must go fast, man.
Yeah, that's the
everything.
objective, right?
Yeah.
No problem. Let me get this vinyl real quick out of here. So we're gonna do some time lapse, and we're gonna put the engine in. We're gonna try and do put the engine in today, and let's see how far we can get around here. The gearbox is laying around, so we gotta even put that on. But yeah, little by little, it's gonna be a very nice build, and we're pretty stoked to see this, and it's gonna be lit. Eventually, when you guys see this, it'll already be on the road and chopping some cars. Chopping some fag boys. So yeah, man, gonna see this eventually. Keep you posted.